Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Experts. In this video we are going to discuss about browser extensions, and also I will show you a trick to bypass YouTube video ads by using browser extension only for PC or laptop. So let's get started. Browser extensions are a piece of code which can be added to your browser to provide some more features in your browser. Different browser have different extensions, so now, the question arises how to use or add extensions in our browser. You can simply search for the extension on the internet and add them to your browser in a couple of seconds, so I am going to show you practically now. And here I am going to add an extension in my Firefox browser which automatically blocks all the YouTube ads and we can enjoy watching videos without those annoying ads. As I already told, different browsers require different extensions, so you can search for the appropriate extension for your browser on Google and simple add them as I am adding. Now follow my steps. This is how we can add browser extensions in our browser. If you found this video helpful, then do like this video and subscribe our channel. If you found this video helpful, then do like this video and subscribe our channel.